Good evening, guys. I was doing current affair from 17th July to 27th of July, and I have already uploaded 2 videos, and this will be the last video in that series. So let's start our work. So Chhattisgarh Chief Minister, I hope you know his name. His name is Bhupesh Baghel. He is from Congress Party. Launched flagship program known as Godhan Nyay Yojana. So what this program is about? This program is about if you have cow, anyone can go to you and ask for cow dung. I mean, not ask for, actually buy cow dung from you. But why anyone will wants to buy a cow dung from anyone? Because that guy can do, vermicomposite. They can create fertilizer from that cow dung. So the Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel started Godhan Nyay Yojana. Okay. I hope you know about Associated Chamber of Commerce and Industry. So ASSOCHAM in collaboration with Savalon, basically started a National Health and Wellness Awareness Program, and the name of the program is Illness to Wellness. And why they have started? They want to promote healthy living, and they want to do preventive health through holistic measure. Okay, if you know, China recently has sent a Mars exploration mission. The name of the mission is Tianwen-1. Important question. Tianwen-1 is from China. Okay, Punjab signed MOU with IIT Ropar for skill development. Very important question. So this is very important question. Dhruvastra. Dhruvastra is a anti-tank guided Nag missile, and it was tested by Defense Research Development Organization DRDO. Home Minister Amit Shah launched Vriksharopan Abhiyan in New Delhi, and this Abhiyan was actually organized by Ministry of Coal. Okay, you know about Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine. So their trial phase 3 will start soon. Okay, this is very important question actually. Tamil Nadu's Thamapati wood carving to get GI tag, and this Thamapati wood carving is a artwork of artisan in Salem region. Salem is a district in Tamil Nadu, and Uttarakhand developed Green Ramayan Park. So what is this Green Ramayan Park is about? This Green Ramayan Park will have plant species associated with Lord Rama. This is important question. Turkmenistan get observer status in World Trade Organization. Okay, a Pravasi Rozgar app was started by Sonu Sood. Sonu Sood is a very nice guy. He is working so hard in this COVID-19 duration. So PM Modi inaugurated Manipur water supply project, and the name of the project is Jal Dhara. And while he was giving speech, he said this: the Jal Dhara from this project will become Jeevan Dhara for 25 cities and town, including Greater Imphal and 1700 village. So the name of the project is Jal Dhara. Remember this. Okay, All India Institute of Medical Science, not in New Delhi, AIIMS Nagpur, and IIT Jodhpur and IIT Nagpur has indigenously developed, actually designed as well as developed a model for effective tracking and monitoring of COVID positive and suspected patient. So very important question, this one. Nicaragua is the latest country to join International Solar Alliance, and this Nicaragua is 87th country to join International Solar Alliance. Okay, this is also important question. Competition Commission of India approved acquisition of Krishnapatnam Port by Adani Port. So now Adani Port has acquired Krishnapatnam Port. Okay, this is very important question. Actually, DRDO started a COVID-19 lab in Leh, and the facility has been established at Defense Institute of High Altitude Research. So you should also know Defense Institute of High Altitude Research is in Leh. Okay, Airtel Payment Bank partner with NSDC, that is National Skill Development Corporation, to train rural youth for financial services job. Okay, and India and Israel collaborated to develop a rapid testing for COVID-19 under 30 seconds. This is very important. Karnataka state government approved the formation of Karnataka digital economy. So remember this thing, Karnataka digital economy. And what is this Karnataka digital economy is about? The mission was aimed to promote 7,000 startup e-commerce company in the state. And let's talk about Karnataka digital economy mission itself. Karnataka digital economy mission or new company will be incorporated under section 8 of the Company Act. Not that very important, but the important thing is the government of Karnataka holding or stake is 49%. This is very important. Okay, India and Maldives have signed an agreement for establishment of emergency medical service in capital Male. So emergency medical service will be established in capital Male with the help of India. Okay, India and Russia are finalizing a defense logistics sharing pact. So India and Russia is signing a defense logistics sharing pact. If they'll sign this, so both India as well as Russia can use their military bases according to their advantage, according to their need. Okay, Andhra Pradesh government tied with Amul to promote state dairies in the state. Okay, this is a very important question. Remember this fact, the Indian Navy's largest solar power plant has been commissioned in Ejimala in Kannur district of Kerala. And Vice Admiral Anil Kumar Chawla launched this via virtual conferencing. So remember this, Indian Navy's largest solar power plant is commissioned in Kannur district of Kerala. Okay, Jharkhand government has got a new law. If you will be violating COVID-19 norms, you can be in jail for 2 years or there can be a fine of 1 lakh rupees. Very stringent law. Okay, this is also kind of important question. Adani Port and Special Economic Zone Limited announced that it has signed up Science-Based Target Initiative to set emission reduction target across its entire value chain. So Adani Port and Special Economic Zone Limited actually signed up a Science-Based Target Initiative. The main aim is to reduce the emission. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. This is very important question. Remember this, Kala Narayan Swami. She is a nurse. Okay, Indian origin nurse, but she works in Singapore. But she got President's Award for Nurses, not India's, Singapore's. And why she got? Because she was serving on front line during COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, and this is also very important. Indian Railways fitting radio frequency identification tag in all the wagons. Okay, so this tag will be used for tracking the wagons. Railway is planning to complete tagging all wagon by December 2020. Currently they do it manually. So this is a very pathetic exercise. So when they start doing from RFID, it will be more easier as well as safer. So okay, Boris Johnson has finished 1 year in office, and what he did in the eve of 1 year, he created Jet Zero Council. And why he created to tackle aviation emission as a part of wider 350 million pound plan to step up effort to tackle climate change. Okay, this is a very massive jolt to India's Olympic preparation. Why? Because National Dope Testing Laboratory, which was banned by World Anti-Doping Agency for 6 months, now again they have extended the suspension for another 6 months. And why they have extended? Because they cited non-conformation to international standard. Okay, this is from Haryana actually. This is from Haryana. So now Haryana people like Haryana मिनिस्टर एज वेल एज एम्प्लॉय ई सचिवालय पोर्टल के माध्यम से मंत्रीगण और अधिकारी से वीसी से जुड़ सकेंगे आमजन. ठीक है, सो ई पोर्टल दे हैव क्रिएटेड सो दैट एवरीवन कैन ज्वाइन विथ ईच अदर and they can, it's some sort of Zoom or Microsoft Team. Okay, Astros mission, it is of NASA New Space Observatory mission. Okay, Astros mission is NASA New Space Observatory mission. Okay, a book. There is a book called Pandemic, the Pandemic Century, 100 Year of Panic, Hysteria and Hubris. Everyone should read this book. It's a very good book, written by Mark Honigsborn. Though the book actually came in 2019 only, but due to COVID-19 scenario, this book became famous nowadays. So please do read this book if you get time. So guys, that's it for now. This is the end of 17th to 27th July current affair. Please do watch it and please do give me feedback. JPSC video will start coming from tomorrow, and please do like my channel and subscribe to the channel. So bye bye, enjoy.